Assalamualaikum everyone. In today's lecture, we will be discussing sebaceous gland. In the previous lecture, we have discussed salivary glands and the whole exocrine system. And in this lecture, we discuss sebaceous gland in very detail. And let's start the lecture. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also like the bell button to get the notification of all the videos which I have uploaded for all of you. And please support and my channel by subscribing and liking it. If you like it, then I will be able to support my family. Thank you very much for this appreciation. And now let's take our lecture and start our the information about the species gland. Now, first of all, occurrence that where these sebaceous glands are present. Actually, it is present everywhere on your skin except your palm, sole, top of your feet, and the lower lip. Your palm is the your this side of your palm, and sole is the back side of your feet, your top of the feet, and the lower lip. Except these part, everywhere your sebaceous glands are found, and the shape of these gland is flat shape like these glands. Sebaceous glands are simple. They may be branched and they be ignored exocrine glands because they release their secretions into a duct and they are located within your skin, so therefore they are called sebaceous. You can learn it by C S. Sebaceous is for S and S for skin, so therefore they are located on your skin. So what is they are responsible for? They secrete a fatty substance that is called as sebum into your follicular duct, which is surrounded the hair shaft. You can see the diagram here, which is beautifully colored, and you see that these green color highlighted two parts, they are called as sebaceous gland, and they are releasing their secretion into a hair follicle. You know that this is our hair, that which is shown by the pink color, and this is our hair shaft, and this is hair follicle. So these sebaceous gland release their secretion into a follicular duct which surround the hair shaft. You know this duct, and it is surrounded your hair shaft. Sebum, what is the function of that sebum? That it helps to keep your skin flexible and prevent the water loss, because it has oily nature, so therefore it make a layer over your skin and protect your skin from the water loss, and also make your skin flexible. And they are known as holocrine gland. And in the previous lecture, in the introduction of exocrine gland, I have explained a detail on the holocrine gland, that what they are. In this video, again you can see here this structure is showing that this is a holocrine gland. What are the holocrine gland? Actually, they are the gland in which not only secretions is released by the secretory cells, but also the cells are also removed. You know that in the lumen pink colored cells are also shown. So they are not only release their secretions, but they also release their old cells into the secretions, and then these cells move out. So all of these old cells are filled of unwanted and waste material. And if you say that if all the cells move out through the secretion, then what will be left out? So the answer of this question is that they are have mitotic division in them. So the green color highlighted cells show you that the mitotic division is occurring, and there the replacement of the new cells and also the removal of old cell, which is shown by the pink color, while the green color is representing that these are the mitotic cells. They are in the phase of division and they are dividing themselves and producing new cells, while the orange color cells, they are actually your secreting cells. They release their secretions and also release old cells which are in the pink color. So these glands are called as holocrine glands. they not only release their secretions but also release their old cells into it. So our sebaceous gland are holocrine gland, because they also release their old cells into on your skin. So as the sebum release when the secretory cells degenerate, so the degenerative secretory cells also present in your secretions and they come out of your skin. Okay, if you have a more sebum production, then you have oily skin, because sebum has a oily nature, so it create a oily film or oily surface on your skin. It also has benefits on it because it prevent the attack of bacteria, but it also has some disadvantages because this oil of the sebum can cause the pore and the acne on your skin. So if you have less sebum production, then your skin will be dry and you can get easily attacked by the bacteria and pathogens on your skin. So that was all about your sebaceous gland, and this is the division. First is the epidermis, which is shown by the orange color. Then in your dermis you see the hair shaft and the sebaceous gland is present, and this is a muscle which is attached to your hair, and this is called erector muscles. And this whitey inside the green area we have a white like area, this is the sebum, and the green outer area is the sebaceous gland in which the sebum is produced, and the lower part in which your hair is to be started is the hypodermis, and these black projections which are going into your hair, these are the arteries and veins which is going into your hair shaft and making a capillary, and from this capillary this blood is supplied to your whole hair. And the roughly appearance of this hair is due to the presence of cuticle or of your hair. So I think all the information is concluded, and I hope that you will like this video, and take care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.